Welcome to eLearning Hub. Today we will practice our listening and speaking skills. Today we will listen and understand Sophia's, who is taking a flight for Tokyo. Listen to the sentences carefully and try to understand the words. Let's start. As the sun rises over the vibrant city of Paris, Sophia nervously checks her phone for the 18th time. Her flight to Tokyo is scheduled for 11:30 a.m., but her morning has already been a whirlwind of small problems. Day begins with a slow start. Sophia's alarm, set to a soft tune, fails to wake her on time, leaving her to rush out of bed at 7:45. The chaos begins. She quickly grabs her travel bag, which she packed the night before, and hurries to the bathroom. Little does she know that the challenges of the day have only just begun. Rushing to the kitchen, Sophia finds her milk carton has gone bad. With no time to make anything fancy, she settles for a cup of black coffee and a piece of slightly stale bread. The simple breakfast leaves her stomach rumbling, but she tells herself she can grab a snack at the airport. It's time for vocabulary. A frantic search begins, and she finally finds them under a pile of clothes on her couch. With a sigh of relief, she books a cab. The cab ride to the airport is anything but smooth. A line of slow-moving vehicles on the highway tests her patience. The driver, a talkative man, keeps her entertained with his stories, but Sophia's mind is focused on the ticking clock. The noise of honking cars doesn't help either. Arriving at the airport, Sophia quickly goes to the check-in counter. She's greeted with a long line. Once her luggage is checked in, she heads to the security check. Here her bottle of face mist is taken away because it's too big though. Annoyed, she decides to move on. It's time for vocabulary. Finally reaching the gate, she finds her seat near the window. As the plane gets ready to take off, she looks outside, her mind switching between excitement and tiredness. The plane rises, leaving the noise of the city behind. The view of the fluffy clouds outside her window gives her a moment of peace. Sophia thinks about her day, realizing how life is often like air travel, bumpy at times but leading to wonderful destinations. She feels grateful for the little problems of her morning because they remind her to stay flexible. The flight lands on time, and as Sophia steps into the Tokyo airport, she feels a sense of achievement. Despite the day's troubles, she's made it. She grabs her luggage and heads out to meet her friend, ready to enjoy the new city. It's time for vocabulary. And that's Sophia's journey. This story shows how even a busy day can turn into something rewarding. It's a reminder that small challenges can teach us valuable lessons.